what is in this box. Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new here, then my name is Mehzabin Pinky. And if you wish to see more of my future videos like this, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification and follow me around. Social media links are below in the description box. So in this video, I'm going to do a haul. Of course, it's a haul. By the title, you must be knowing it's a haul. And like, if you guys don't know, this is a online store, Glam, and I always buy makeup from them. So like recently I bought this makeup. Like, it came in a box like this. This is my favorite box. Like, I think once they stopped sending in this box, but like then they started again. So like, it's been so long. I ordered something from Glam just because I was so busy buying from Sephora. So yeah, I saw this stuff because I needed this stuff, and like I was running out of some of the products. That's why I bought. I don't know like if it's new or same products, but like I think some of it is same, but I don't know. Like, I told you guys in my last haul video that I'm going to do my Morphe and Glam haul together, but like my Morphe products didn't arrive yet, so it's still somewhere in the middle with the post. I hope it will come tomorrow. Today is Sunday. I'm filming this video and my Morphe might come tomorrow, so I'm going to just do a separate video. Like, I don't have much products today, but like I don't even have much products from Morphe too. Like, there are few, but like I'm going to do a separate video for you guys. But like, literally the products I bought from Morphe are so awesome. Like, I am trying those products for the first time. That's why I'm going to show you guys, and literally I'm so excited to try those products and do tutorial for you guys. So yeah, without further ado, let's see what is in this box. So if you guys want to know more about it, like, I will put the Glam website link here below in the description box, so you guys can go and check it out. And I think it's available in Australia, and I don't know, you can go and check it out by yourself. So yeah, it is so nicely packed, came in like this, and like literally I love their products. So first thing I can see is this card. So it says kit must have. So it is this concealer, I think, and at the back it says Glam and their website detail and everything. I think this is a concealer. I think it's new. Everything I bought. Okay, first thing is this Revolution's Base Fix Makeup Fixing Spray. I don't know whether I bought this product once or not, but I literally love Makeup Revolution's Fixing Spray, and this product is not that expensive at all. So let's check the price. So Base Fix Fixing Spray is $12.50 only. So $12.50 Australian, and like Makeup Revolution products are so affordable. The second product is again a Glow Fix Illuminating Fixing Spray. I don't know, this is the new product I'm trying. I don't know, it's on the market since long, but I'm trying for the first time. So it's by Makeup Revolution Illumination Fixing Spray. So it will give that glow after applying. And like, I don't know, I can't wait to try. I can't wait to try. So literally so excited about this product. So this product contains 100 ml of product inside, and like this one also contains 100 ml. So this glow fix, let's check the price. It's here, illuminating fixing spray. It's $11 only, like $1.50 cheaper than the first one. Okay, the next product is this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Matte Finish Setting Spray. So literally this product I tried once, and like literally I love it. Like it's so good. It makes your makeup last longer and this and that, and I like it. That's why I bought it again. And this one is not that expensive at all too. So this one is uh, $10 only, and literally this contains only 45 ml of product, so it's not even half of the other one. So it's $10, so 100 ml, it's will be a bit expensive. So yeah, it's okay, so because it's really good. Okay, the next product is this Adele lash grip for strip lashes. This is dark one. So I don't know, like I think I tried once, and it looks like this. And like literally this product, once like it broke from here, and like it was wasted. So I will apply properly this time. I won't let it break. Like somehow it broke last time, and like the glue inside got so hard, so it was all wasted. So this product is only $7 on their website. The next product is this Wet n Wild's duo ended contour stick. So this has one side contour and one side highlighter. It comes like this. And let's open. Like I think I got once this product and I forgot. Like I don't know, it's somewhere. And like now I think I have already. And like this is like this, and like it has highlighter this side and contour this side. So highlighter looks like this, and contour looks like this. So you have quite a lot of product in here. Wow. Highlighter, contour, and this is by Wet n Wild. This is Mega Glow by Wet n Wild. So this product retails for, okay, let me see. Where is it? Mega Glow contour stick. Okay, this product retails for $12 only on Glam Rider's website. And the next product is this lash glue clear lash adhesive by Exo Beauty. I don't know, I wanted to try her makeup. So this is the lash glue. This is clear. I don't know, I just wanted to try. It looks so good, I think. And I don't know how it is. I never tried, so I'm going to try for the first time. And this product has 5 grams of product in it, like only 5 grams. Okay, clear lash adhesive is $14. So this is $14. Maybe it's worth it. So I'll try in my tutorial videos, so you guys can see, then you guys can buy it too. Because like here on YouTube, we YouTubers try products for you guys, and we show you guys and tell you guys whether it's good or not, then you can buy. Or else like this is our job to do it, so that's why I'm doing it. Or else like guys know. Okay, the next product is this Revolutions Snow Mushroom Serum. Okay, literally hydrating and skin conditioning serum. So I literally needed a serum, so it looks like this. Before applying makeup, you should apply this, or like anyhow you can just apply on top of your moisturizer or mix it with your moisturizer. I have got no idea, that's how I use my other serums. But okay, it comes like this, and it says here apply AM and PM, and it has only 30 ml of product, so it looks like this. Oh god, the bottle looks so cute, and like it has only 30 ml of product. 30 ml. Oh god. And it comes with a dropper. So yeah, let's see how much this is. Like, the packaging is quite good, I really like it, and mm, it is $14 only. $14, like all the prices are in Australian dollars. So yeah, the next one is this Makeup Revolutions stripped liquid lipstick, and this one is like this. It's a nude shade. You guys will see me using in my tutorial videos. So this is just a nude lipstick. I think the similar color like I'm wearing, but I don't know. This is a matte lipstick. They had a little bit of other colors too, but like I thought I'm going to try this first. Like, I never tried this liquid lipstick, so I'm going to try first, then I'm going to buy other shades too. So this liquid lipstick cost only $8, and like the color is literally so good, and like nudes are really good. I really like it. And the one I'm wearing today is by Maybelline. So the next product is this Revolutions lip gloss. I think this is a lip topper. Okay, lip topper Fortune. The shade is Fortune, and like, look at it. It looks so cool. Like, it's just a lip topper, and I'm not going to apply or open anything. It's just a lip topper, silver, and like, I really love the bottle and the color. So I think this will look good on top of any liquid lipstick, dark liquid lipstick. And then if you are applying a nude liquid lipstick, this one will look absolutely stunning. So this is only $7 on their website. So the last product I got here is this. So let's see what it is. So this is just a eyeshadow palette which came in like this. So I think it's an eyeshadow palette. Okay, looks so cool. Okay, this looks like this. It's by Makeup Revolution. I don't know, I just wanted to buy a eyeshadow palette which contains a blue eyeshadow, because like once I wanted to do a eye makeup using a blue eyeshadow, but like the one I loved broke. So the other blue eyeshadows, I don't even like it. So the color I wanted, I don't even have. So like, I have so many palettes, but the blue eyeshadow I wanted, it's not in that palette. So like, so useless to have so many palettes, and the color we want, it's not there. So then I got so angry. I went to this website Glam, and bought this palette. This is how it looks. It says here Revolution Makeup Revolution London. As you can see, the color is really good. It's just a tin kind of packaging, and like it says Revolution Forever Flawless Optimum. I think this is the name of this palette. And let's open and see. Oh, this doesn't even have the blue I wanted, but like, it's okay. The other colors are really pretty. Okay, let me just show you guys here, because I don't want to show you guys the mess over there, because like I just finished the makeup tutorial video, and like my table is so messy. Okay, this color is, I think, like kind of teal green, and other shades are really pretty. So I just can't wait to try. And like, all of these shades has names, which is absolutely awesome. They have some shimmer shades and they have names like brown. Oh my god, they have brown too. I don't know where I'm looking and just look at it. Like I'm going to just show you guys. Like it's literally so messy, my desk, but just leave it because I haven't done my room tour yet, so you guys will see it later because it's all changed. I will like let you guys know in my upcoming videos. So literally I'm still changing it a bit, so I really like that it comes with this plastic thingy, which like hardcover plastic thingy, where you can just slip it in here, which is so cool. I really like it. Like I will definitely buy more from Makeup Revolution, but like I bought some palettes from Morphe, so yeah, I will show you guys in the coming of haul. So like this palette cost $24. So it's $24 on their website and everything is like Australian dollars. So yeah, if you guys liked this video, give this video a huge thumbs up and also subscribe if you want to see more, and social media links are below. And thanks so much for watching. Stay safe and I will catch you all later in my next video. Bye.